Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Seed Airdrop Update. Claim your MON blind boxes and check $SED tokens. Hey Crypto On-Chain family! Exciting news for all you seed holders out there. The Seed Airdrop Update is here, and it's bringing some big changes to the Seed Go ecosystem. If you've been waiting for updates on your $SED tokens, now's your chance to check your allocation and see how many tokens you're getting. How to check your $SED allocation. Head over to the Seed Airdrop Allocation Checker to confirm your tokens. This is your opportunity to see if you're eligible and how many $SED tokens you'll receive. It's simple, and the best part, no more guessing. What's new with MON blind boxes? But wait, there's more. SeedGo is giving you a new chance to score with the MON blind box. If you hold Seed Bird NFTs, you can register and claim between 1 to 15 boxes depending on how many NFTs you own. So, if you're an NFT holder, don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity. How to claim your MON blind boxes. To get started, just head to the designated bot and follow the instructions. It's quick and easy, and you could walk away with some cool rewards. When is $SED listing? Now, we know you're all eager for the $SED token listing, but the exact date isn't out yet. The team has hinted at mid-February 2025, but it's still awaiting approval from major exchanges. The Binance listing is something everyone's waiting for, and if it happens, we could see major price movement. Price predictions for $SED. Market analysts are predicting the pre-market price for $SED could range between $0.024 to $0.044. With strong community support and the team working hard on updates, the future looks bright for this token. Wallet swapping and Seedverse 2.0 update. In other exciting news, wallet swapping is coming mid-February. This feature will make it easier than ever to manage your seed tokens across platforms. Plus, the team is rolling out Seedverse 2.0, which will bring better features and a more user-friendly experience for all token holders. With all these updates, the Seed Airdrop is just the beginning. As the $SED token listing approaches, we're in for an exciting ride. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on everything happening in the SeedGo ecosystem. Catch you in the next video, and happy investing!